Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. Then, go to Settings and click on Update and Security. On the left side, select Troubleshoot, and on the right, click on Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down until you see the option for keyboard, then click Run the Troubleshooter. This tool will try to detect and fix any issues. In most cases, it should solve the problem. But if your keyboard is still not working, move on to the next step. Right-click on the Windows icon again and select Device Manager. Here, you'll see a list of all drivers. Expand the Keyboard section and select your keyboard driver. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose your keyboard driver and click Next. This will update your keyboard driver. Once done, close the window and restart your system. If updating didn't help, go back to Device Manager. Right-click on your keyboard driver again and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver after the restart. As a final step, click the Windows icon, go to Settings, then click Update and Security. Under Windows Update, check if there are any updates available. If updates are pending, install them. Keeping your operating system up to date helps fix bugs and errors that might affect your keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.